Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is a color. It is a vibrant hue that appears in nature, particularly in the reefs found in tropical oceans. This color can be made by combining shades of red, orange, and a touch of pink. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as coral, coral, coral. In interior designing, coral is perfect for living rooms and kitchens where a vibrant and cheerful environment is desired. Coral accents can make a room feel more dynamic and inviting, creating a warm and stimulating atmosphere. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about coral, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.